Set includes 9-inch by 13-inch cookie pan, 10-inch by 15-inch cookie pan, 11-inch by 17-inch cookie pan. Long-lasting cookie pan set. Baking pan set is made from durable steel that resists warping. Long-lasting nonstick provides excellent food release and easy cleanup. Easy food release. Roasting pans feature long-lasting all-over nonstick for excellent food release and easy cleanup. Get a grip. Bold-colored, extra-wide grippy handles on the pans provide a confident grasp and are oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Feel Good Baking Set. A portion of the proceeds goes to Yumo.R, Rachel's nonprofit that helps kids and parents develop healthy relationships with food. Quality Assurance Guarantee. Offering 3 popular-sized nonstick baking pans, the Rachael Ray Bakeware 3-piece nonstick cookie pan set is ideal for making both savory and sweet treats. These cookie pans are made from durable steel that resists warping and feature long-lasting nonstick that provides excellent food release and easy cleanup. With a small, medium, and large cookie sheet, enjoy the convenience of 3 sizes to do everything from using the set as roasting pans, broiling cheesy garlic bread, or baking Rachel's ranch-style potato skins and yummy Kahlua Chocolate Chunk Cookies. The non-stick baking pans feature bold-colored, extra-wide grippy handles that provide a confident grasp when pulling items from the oven and are oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. These versatile cookie pans are the perfect complement to many other pieces in Rachel's bakeware and cookware collections that always spell fun in the kitchen. Hit a triple play with the Rachael Ray Bakeware 3-piece non-stick cookie pan set that includes 3 durable baking pans for creating delish baked foods. Top reviews from the United States. Best bakeware ever. I love Rachael Ray Bakeware. They are simply the best pans I've ever used. A lot of brands claim to have a non-stick surface, but these pans truly are non-stick. Food slides right off. The silicone handle grips are an awesome feature. My dear husband decided to wash the dishes one day while I was at work. He used steel wool on my pans. Needless to say, I wasn't real happy about that, but it gave me a good excuse to buy a new set of my favorite pans in a new color. These are the only pans he'll ever use as long as they make them. Definitely worth the money. Get you some, you won't regret it.